The 8th Flying Training Squadron, Jim Thomas, Channel 5 Eyewitness News.
Will the weather be cooperating with their flight plan?
Good flying weather this afternoon, but for now we got some low clouds, so it will be IFR for the first part of the day, and then we'll go into VFR in the afternoon. So let's show you the current conditions. It is very cloudy outside. We have some low clouds hanging around. We also have high humidity. Humidity level is right at 70%. Actually, that's 78%. Me without my glasses this morning. But the temperature's right at 64 degrees, so it is balmy outside. The wind is from the south at 10 miles an hour. That's blowing in all that low-level moisture. We're seeing the clouds hanging around us this morning. The barometer is rising, though, from 29.92 inches. Let's look at Sky 5 this morning, show you where all the heavy clouds are remaining, and it's right over south central Texas, right over San Antonio. Stretches anywhere from Texarkana right down into Mexico. Then we've got the low clouds piling on in, too. So we've got several layers of clouds right over San Antonio, and they're going to be with us through the first half of the day. Then by the second half of the day, we're going to wind up with a very bright afternoon. So get ready to enjoy the weather outside. No major rainfall to speak of. However, there are a few sprinkles scattered right under this cloud pattern. But for the most part throughout the day, we're going to see very fair weather. The clouds are rolling in. Middle and high clouds are rolling in from the southwest thanks to the jet stream, but the low clouds are hanging in right under it. We're also seeing some clouds producing some precipitation across the extreme northeast over in the New York area and also across Maine. That is all moving to the northeast now. System coming on shore from the west. This one here has a low that's developing, and it'll be deepening as it moves through the Rockies. It will be affecting our weather once we get into Tuesday. Now, the low is moving over in this region here. It'll be producing some rain and even perhaps some snow at the higher elevations as it moves through the Rockies. But by Tuesday, it'll wind up in San Antonio. It'll be picking up some punch by then, pulling in some cooler air or even colder air from the north. So as it gets into our region, we're going to see temperatures in the 80s dropping into the 60s, near 70-degree mark as we get into Tuesday. So good weather. It'll be a good time if you want to cool it down for those of you that don't like that 80-degree weather, but you can argue with it today. Today's going to be beautiful outside as high pressure is mild or not too strong, but still controlling much of the weather pattern over the central plains and even here in the south. And it's as a result of that high pressure area that the wind is coming in from the southeast, so that's going to be pumping in that moisture late at night, early in the morning, so we'll wind up with low clouds. Now we'll show you the rain that is occurring over the cloud pattern. You can see scattered across South Texas, across the extreme northeast, and just some light precipitation to speak of here in the south. No major rainfall to speak of. So for today, we're going to keep a small chance for rain in the forecast. For today, we'll have a 20% chance of rain with a high reaching 85 degrees. We'll see the low clouds in the morning, turning partly cloudy in the afternoon. Wind will be from the south at 10 miles an hour with a 20% chance for rain. For tonight, it'll be mostly cloudy, 20% chance of showers in the area, low near 60 degrees. Roll up the sleeves. Tomorrow, we'll see low clouds in the morning again, turning partly cloudy in the afternoon. Wind still from the south at about 10 miles an hour, but the wind will shift to the north as we get into Monday and Tuesday, with highs dropping into the 60s by then.
All right, thank you, Mike.
You bet.